I've got my chemicals to make ruby gold colloid.
Okay, and we're going to add 20 milliliters of the hydrogen tetrachlorine.
Next, we're going to fill it up till it hits 200 milliliters. Perfect. Then we're going to want to nuke it for 30-second intervals. You're going to want to stir it at every interval.
Once the water's reached a boil, you want to take it out. You will notice that it boils because it will bubble. You will then want to pipette 2 milliliters of sodium citrate. You can then stir the solution. You're then going to want to put your solution back in the microwave for more 30-second intervals.
You will notice some changes that will occur with the color of the solution.
The solution will be very hot when you take it out, so it's very important that you do not touch it with your direct skin. You use a rag or a hot hand to touch it instead.
You will notice that the color will be getting darker. The solution will form a dark, deep red, and that's what you want. But I'm going to cook it up just a little bit longer because we want a nice deeper red than this. Alright, your ruby gold colloid is ready.
Always remember to take proper safety precautions when dealing with chemicals.
Using the same safety precautions as before, I'm going to fill the boiling ruby gold colloid back up to the 200 line. Then I'm just going to let it sit and wait.